In order to visualize the relative importance of independent categories, we will be using a Pareto chart. When creating a Pareto chart, your data can be formatted in one of two ways. The first way is with raw data, as seen here in column E, where the independent categories are listed down the column and the counts of each are indicated by how many times they appear. The second way is with aggregated data, where the independent categories are listed once and paired with its associated count in the next column, like here in columns F and G. For this example, we will be using the raw data. Let's open a Pareto chart by going to the Measures section of the DMAIC menu and selecting on Pareto Analysis. The Categories Variable dropzone is for your independent categories. Find this data and drag it to the yellow dropzone. As you can see, a frequency variable dropzone has appeared, but since we are using raw data, where all of the categories are listed multiple times to indicate its frequency, we will skip this for now by clicking on the Continue button. This next slide shows several study setup options available for the Pareto chart. We will be leaving these as defaults. Go ahead and click on Continue. The graph created shows the data organized vertically in order from largest to smallest, indicating that support calls regarding computer viruses detected is the most frequently occurring call. The second way of formatting data will use two different drop zones. We can restart our Pareto study by simply dragging the variables off of the study's drop zone. And to begin again, we'll need to find our categories data and drop it in the drop zone. Next, we'll grab the counts for those categories and add those to the frequency variable drop zone. We will again be leaving our study setup options in their defaults, so we can go ahead and click on Continue. Notice that this is the same information, only formatted in a different way. Therefore, the resulting graphs look the same. This concludes our tutorial. You can find more tutorials for tools in EngineRoom by going to www.moresteam.com/help/EngineRoom.